Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol KTOV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from, and very, very impressive movement today. I'm going to go ahead and do some house cleaning and get rid of these lines here. Sure, those levels still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant right now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere he looks. But let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible moving forward. Now, the craziest thing was just a couple days ago, this thing was just an absolute gap and trap. I mean, the price came all the way up here, and then that very same day collapsed all the way down to there. And at that point, it was a very valid question of, is this the end of the road? What exactly is going on? But check this out, the power of charts. This is why I love charts. Even with all that drama, even with that gap and trap that happened, the price never violated that purple line right there, stayed above it, consolidated out, and then today the overall uptrend has continued. So that's what I think a lot of people need to learn, is that you can have a gap and trap within an overall uptrend. So a gap and trap doesn't mean that it's the end of the line. It just means that it's some very nasty price movement. And that's what we had here. A gap and trap, but stayed, above that moving average. So the uptrend remained. And that's always what's funny. And you can always tell who has no idea what they're doing, because they hear gap and trap and they automatically think, oh, that means it's the end of the world. No, it's a nasty situation, yes. But is it the end of the world? Absolutely not. And we have, like I said, a great example of that because the price stayed above that purple line. So if you haven't connected the dots, the key level to continue to watch going forward is going to be that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, as the name implies. As time goes by, this line is just going to continue to move itself higher and higher. And as I just spent a lot of time talking about, moral of the story here, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. I can visualize that that is what is being represented. So keep an eye on that. And then as far as areas of resistance are concerned now, key level to watch going forward, you're going to be right up there at about the $1.35 mark. So $1.35 is going to be that key breakout point. But overall, the uptrend continues. Nice recovery from the gap and trap. But let's see how this one continues to play out on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.